Welcome to my YouTube channel, Enjoy Learning Computer Science. To watch my previous videos, watch my YouTube channel. To get notified for my new videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Enjoy Learning Computer Science. This video is part 2 of web services. Website. A website is a collection of various web pages, images, audios, videos, or other kinds of digital assets that are hosted in one or several web servers. The first page of a website is known as home page, where all the links related to other documents will be displayed. The web pages of a website are written using HTML, and the information is transferred over the internet through which protocol? HTTP protocol. This HTML documents consist of several hyperlinks that can be accessed through this HTTP protocol. So examples of various websites are cbse.nic.in, google.com, amazon.in, etc. So a website is a collection of several web pages which are related to each other through hyperlinks. The next one is web server. So this is a server which stores web pages, and when a web client is sending any request to a server, the server responds to the request and displays the requested web pages. A web server is a program that runs on a computer which is connected to the internet. Web server will wait for a request, finds the document and generates information, and if required, it sends back to the browser that requested for it. A single web server may support many websites, or a single website may be hosted on several linked or mirrored web servers. So some popular web servers are Netscape Enterprise, Microsoft Internet Information Server, etc. So a web server stores web documents and responds to the request made by the web browser. Next one is web browser. Web browser is a software which helps in accessing web pages. So it is called web client because it is helping. It helps the user to navigate through the World Wide Web and display web pages. Popular web browsers are Mozilla Firefox, Opera, WebKit, Iceweasel, etc. So a web browser is a www client which navigates through the www and displays web pages. Next one is web hosting. So this is a service which is provided by companies to its clients to allow to create their own websites, and then it is accessible to the internet using www. So web hosting, which it is provided by companies to its clients to create their own websites, and then they'll make these websites to accessible to the internet using the World Wide Web. So such companies are known as web hosts. These companies will provide space on a web server they own for use by their clients, and they will also provide internet connectivity. So the websites which are constructed to display information for their own organization in the form of web pages. So the host may also provide an interface for managing the web server, or to add news and events related to their organization, or to upload some information which is necessary for the user. So a web hosting is a service that is provided by the company to users to create their own web page, to create web-based applications. Web scripting. This is used for creating web pages to publish them on the web interactively. The communication between web browser and web server happens through small programs called web scripts. So scripts is a programming language which when executed displays the web page. So the types of scripts are client side scripts, server side scripts. Client-side scripts supports interaction within a web page, example VB script, JavaScript, etc. Server-side scripting supports execution at the server end, example ASP, JSP, PHP, etc. So a script is a list of commands embedded in a web page which are executed by a certain program or scripting engine. Cloud computing provides computing and storage capacity services to the heterogeneous community of recipient ends. So it is a kind of internet-based computing which provides shared processing resources and data to computers and other devices on demand. So the cloud aims to cut costs and it helps the users focus on their core business instead of being embedded by IT obstacles. So it provides computing and storage capacity services. So it provides on-demand network access and it is provisioned by the service provider. It provides a shared pool of configurable computing resources. There are several benefits of cloud computing because of which it has become essential and popular these days. It reduces capital and operational costs because it eliminates the need to plan ahead for provisioning, and it allows companies to start small and increase their resource investment, and it simplifies application deployment and management. Thanks for watching my video.